Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today for What You Making Monday, I am going to be making a semi-homemade chicken pot pie in my cast iron skillet, which I have made chicken pot pie a few different times with a few different crusts. I think with biscuits I made ones, crescent rolls I've made, and I've also made it with the puff pastry, but I actually haven't made it in my cast iron skillet. And I actually had my cast iron skillet for several years. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna use it. And then I just kind of got intimidated by the cleaning process as far as getting it all clean afterwards. And once I did a little video search, I was able to find a video that I always reference back to use it. So I'll actually put that video in the description so that you can check it out if you are wanting to get a cast iron skillet, but you're a little intimidated by the cleaning process, but it's not that bad. So I have some prep work as far as getting the vegetables ready. So I will show you how to do that first. going to do my little outro here. It turned out great. It took a little long to prep it and make the filling and the crust and all of that, but it is totally worth the wait. My girls weren't huge fans of it, but they're kind of picky like that. But my husband really liked it, and I really liked it too, so I would definitely make this again, and it makes for cleanup super easy to have just one pan for this dish. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when more videos are coming up in the future. But comment below what you're having for dinner tonight. I'll see you next time.